In this video, I will show you step by step how to sell on Artpal, this platform. If you want to sell, go to Google, search for Artpal, this keyword, as you can see here, and then click the first website here. You will see this page. From this page, click on Sell Art, this icon. Write your all information, email, address, as you can see here. Write your password. After that, click on this icon, create a free gallery, and then click next, click save, next. After that, choose your name of art, for example, test, choose next. After that, click this is for URL link, click next, and then click next. After that, okay. In this one, upload your item you want to sell, select your image from your browse. For example, this one, I want to sell my image here. And this is for processing. Upload your image from here, and then click you can edit your profile, you can add a new collection, and then before that you should be verify your email. I want to go to my email to verify my accounts. As you can see here, this is my email, was verified successfully. And then from here, write your all details, your profile, new collection. You can add new collection from here. Write your titles from your collection, and then click add. This is how you can do to sell. You can sell also your art. This is steps to sell your art. Just follow these simple steps to sell online in Artpal. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this